Hey guys, so super excited to be showing you these Shameless snacks that I just got. I'm gonna go ahead and open them and give you my honest review. So I got 6 different flavors of the gummy candy. Green apple blast, super sour blue raspberry, so berry cherry, red raspberry sour scouts, OMG peach, and what's up watermelon. Each of these small bags has a total of 3 grams of sugar, 3 grams of carbs, and only 70 calories. I've been excited to try out this super sour blue raspberry, and that's the one that originally caught my eye, so we're gonna try this one first. They smell delicious. Definitely a ton of flavor. Not sure what I was expecting from the blue raspberry, but delicious. Love that it doesn't turn my tongue blue. There is spirulina extract that's added for the color, so none of those artificial colorings. Green apple. Cute little apple. Definitely tastes like apples. That's delicious. So berry cherry. Definitely tastes like cherry. Not a ton of flavor like the apple one, but still good. We're gonna try red raspberry. Also, very light raspberry flavor with a little bit of sour added. Watermelon. Little watermelon slices. Oh my gosh. Amazing. I didn't even take a bite and I can already taste the mouth-watering watermelon flavor. Probably my favorite so far. I saved peach for last though because I absolutely love peaches. So we're gonna go ahead and give this one a try. Top 2. If you love peach rings, this tastes exactly like that, but with much less sugar, less calories, less carbs, much healthier version. I would 1000% grab this bag instead of peach rings, for that reason, and because it tastes exactly the same. I also noticed that these definitely don't get stuck in your teeth as much as those candies do. My 2 favorite flavors. Definitely recommend trying out these candies if you or your kids love gummy candy. They come in these small bags, super easy to pack in your purse, throw in a backpack, put in a lunch pack. There's so much less sugar than other candies. They don't get stuck in your teeth as much. So if you're looking for something to satisfy that sweet tooth without all of the sugar, these are definitely worth checking out.